Okay, got all the data in there. We have hit stat, tests, ANOVA, and I'm going to get all the lists in there. List 1, list 2, list 3, list 4, list 5. And there's our data. So our results, F, we got 2.16. Treatment values, which is the factor, we got 4 for the degrees of freedom, 1782, 445. The error values, we've got 20, 4110, 205.5. The total values, if you're trying to fill in the table, you just add up these rows. So 4 plus 20 is 24. Where's 4110 plus 1782, that gives us 58.92. And then the really big thing we need is the p-value, which the p-value we got for this was 0.10977, which is pretty high. So this one's really high p-value. That's bigger than even like a 10% significance level. So really anything 10% or lower significance level, we would fail to reject. So in this case, I would say that there's no evidence that these means are any different between the 5 populations. So that's something we'd see with something like this. That p-value is way too high. So you can see there's a lot of variation amongst these. If there's less variation, if they were more similar across the board, then we would have a smaller p-value. Okay, so that's it for this set of notes. Sorry that got messed up and got lumped into 2 parts. I don't know what happened there with my recorder, but that's it for our semester. So I will, hopefully you'll be getting this homework done. You'll be getting ready for that that Unit 3 exam, third exam, covers stuff since the second exam. And then have a great rest of your semester and take care.